Katrat Chemistry but Environmental Studies Shillong College aga khandai tarik nai lor kala pelong ka program ban penshai halor ki jingta ki bor mariang kani ka program la pelong halor kanong rem kumnu bantep patyada na ki jingta bat jingwan ling shop ki bor mariang kumu jumai bat kiwi kiwi dalor ki khana puli ki blai shim banta kani ka program la wan panidon langru da ka kong amprin ling do commentary bade page akatnat puldi buildings ringkat Professor Devesh Walia jong katnat Environmental Studies Jangka school ba nehu ki bor pinya ke Shillong College pat kino hikai na kitai kitnat puli Professor Devesh Walia ka jingkren chung ula pan paw ya ka jingshir kai ka bor chung chumai khamta mu bla ki hausnem khat praspa khandai pinyo ulong bakalong ka bodon kam banya kren hakabay dei pa ka jinglong ka mariang namar kani ka than barok ka we ka de ka chakaya linti chung chumai.
Now in the northeastern India you already know that there are not many good cities and many cities they have got population more than 3 lakhs. We have got good number of dams, we have got more than 300 bridges, we have got many kilometers of roads passing through mountainous terrains, and we have got settlements which are many times, most of the time it is very difficult for them even to reach to the road, so they are not very well connected. And above all, we are sitting at a place where in the past not many earthquakes have been recorded.
Kakong amprin ling do abakren hakatika singi kala penpaw bakala persyang men pensngotho yakibrio lor ka jingma ka baam na ka jingkhnyo jumai khama shwa kum commentary badai pe yaki kampen roisor kalaile pen pensngotho yakibrio hakabai dei ka rukom shna yeng shna sem bakumno pandai panle khnang manyo eki yeng kisem ki baskem bat banlaj na ki jingmen saw.
I'm happy that institutions are discussing this matter, and I hope that all of you who are seated in this auditorium for the entire day during the period of this seminar, which is very relevant and required in the 21st century, I hope that you will then go out and explain certain facts to so many people who actually don't know what they're talking about. The entire Muda debate revolves around this. Nobody wants to be regulated in our state. You just heard Sir Walia say, Japan is preparing for itself. Turkey is preparing for itself. But there are third world countries like us. And there are backward states like ours, where you can't even talk about regulation. I have tried my best during my tenure as the Urban Affairs Minister of this beautiful state to explain to citizens that it is time that you take the fact of our being placed on Seismic Zone 5 and take serious observation of the fact that you cannot build homes the way you want to. You will not believe the anecdote that I'm about to share with you. When the ground shook, some ministers had just left the room. I had also left the building. But let me tell you about what I heard happened in the building when I left the Secretariat that evening. Honorable Chief Minister was still briefing the press. And you must have seen that the security personnel behind the Honorable Chief Minister are always on alert. Ministers are sitting close by to the Honorable Chief Minister and the press was sitting opposite them. When the building shook, everyone ran for their lives. There were 2 pillars in the cabinet room. One of the ministers grabbed one pillar, another minister grabbed another pillar, and the Honorable Chief Minister was made to sit and look at the ground shaking on his chair. No security personnel wanted to even remember that they were protecting the life of the Honorable Chief Minister. The second earthquake, again we were in the Secretariat. All hell broke loose when the earthquake didn't stop. I was in my chamber in room 412 in the Yojana building. An MLA friend had just walked in. We were in the middle of deep discussion. Suddenly the ground beneath us shook. Fortunately, in my service to the people of this state as urban minister, I happened to be in several disaster management programs minister, I also learned a lot of information. The do's and don'ts of how do you react when the ground beneath you shakes and stops shaking. The Honorable MLA sitting next to me, in front of me, somebody said that, okay ma'am, it's just you and me in this room. It's not stopping, the shaking is continuing. You go underneath that side of your table and I'll go underneath this side of the table in half a second if the ground doesn't stop shaking. I could not make my friend understand that that table and going underneath that table would probably cause us our sure death as compared to the other alternatives that were there before us. But this was the thought that was going in my friend's mind. And believe it or not, he scrambled and he hid under that table. But I didn't follow him. I went to the nearest pillar and I just stood there quietly.